Amplify display system setup. The Amplify display system is a perfect way to display products in trade show booths, with accessories such as shelves and pegboards. The toolless system also offers standard and custom-sized push-fit SEG graphics to deliver messaging. To set up, unpack the system components. Protective felt bags are supplied for packaging. Note the parts are labeled to make installation easy. Base and foot assembly. Identify the foot and horizontal tube. Align the hole in the horizontal tube with the silver protrusion on top of the foot and place the horizontal tube onto the foot. Engage thumb screw through hole in horizontal tube into foot and turn right until tight. Repeat with the other foot. Bottom frame and vertical installation. Identify the bottom vertical poles. Open the lever on the end of the horizontal tube by pulling outward. Insert end of the horizontal tube into end of the bottom vertical pole and align so both tubes are flush. Secure the joint by pushing the lever handle back down. Top frame vertical installation. Locate top vertical poles and stand into bottom vertical. Top horizontal installation. Locate a horizontal tube and open the lever on both ends of the horizontal tube by pulling outward. Insert end of horizontal tube perpendicularly into end of top vertical pole and align so both tubes are flush. Secure joint by pushing the lever handle back in. Repeat your steps until the wall is complete. In the case of a straight wall, the bottom horizontal shares a vertical from the first cell. Hanging bar installation. Identify the hanging bar. Insert one end of the hanging bar into side hole on vertical pole. Pivot the opposite end of the hanging bar into adjacent vertical pole. Repeat for all frame cells. To add a return panel. Locate the two pieces that make up the corner post and attach them to the frame in a stacked orientation. This corner will attach two individual panels at 90 degrees and cover the unsightly edges of the frame. When dealing with an inside corner, where the frame will not be visible, you can use the two 90-degree inside corner brackets. Fabric graphic installation. Fabric can attach to the frame in three ways: into the inner channel, leaving the accessory notches exposed, into the outer channel, covering the notches, or covering the channel notches by wrapping around the edge of the panel. Note that when a panel wraps around, it'll have notches cut into the fabric edge. Use this notch to help determine where the fabric should start to wrap around the edge of the frame. The location of the graphic will be predetermined by the type of graphic finish that was selected when ordering. To attach the push-fit fabric graphic to the perimeter of the frame, push the silicone beading into the inner channel of the frame. For easiest installation, start installing graphic at the top two corners. Once the corners have been pushed in, attach the rest of the top and then the bottom of the graphic. The graphic will be very tight. It will help to stretch out the graphic at the edges with the silicone strip before installing. The center support bar can be removed temporarily to make the graphic installation easier if the graphic seems too tight. Installing accessories. To secure the shelf, connect the hooks to the desired height and location and place the shelf on top. Make sure the slot in the shelf is engaged on the bracket. To attach the pegboard, rotate the pegboard hooks into the open position and attach the pegboard to the vertical post notches on the frame. Check to make sure the hooks are fully engaged with the frame. Add the hooks to the board, or if your pegboard has a graphic, insert them through the graphic by making a small cut at the desired holes, or just push the end hooks through the graphic. A ballpoint pen also works well. Lighting. Connect the outlet cord into the transformer, and then connect the light cord into the other end of the transformer and plug it into the light. Snap on the light clip connector to the top horizontal of the display. Slide the light into the light clip connector. Then run the cord behind or through the hole in the horizontal tube and plug in. And you're ready to display.